In our Excel Level 3 course, you will expand your knowledge and use of advanced data analysis and time-saving features. Combine, analyze, and display data using Excel's powerful features and dive into the basics of macros to extend Excel's capabilities. We will show you how to automate Excel, analyze and present your data, work with multiple workbooks, use pivot tables, pivot charts, and slicers, export your data, and enhance your workbooks. Do you find yourself repeating the same series of actions over and over again? Learning to create, edit, and run macros will help you record these actions and repeat them at will. This is a big time saver. Look at that. 2 clicks and I'm done. Tired of looking at a bland table filled with numbers you hardly understand? Conditional formatting can automatically change the appearance of cells based on their content. For example, you could highlight all the negative values in just a few steps. And if you're always concerned about the right data being entered in the right place, you'll love applying the newfound knowledge of data validation to your workbooks. Want to present your data in a more elegant way? How about using Sparklines? Insert compact, graph-like Sparklines into your spreadsheet. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to give life to your data. If you need to compare how changing certain variables in your calculations will affect the result, you'll love using scenarios to test them out. Create any number of solutions and recall them at will. Use the Analysis Toolpack add-in to perform statistical calculations on complex data. Using this is really a breeze. Even the mysteries of the famous pivot table will be unveiled. Compute your data in ways you thought impossible. Using raw data as input, quickly create and recreate summary tables by adding fields and pivoting them into elegant, data-driven solutions. Still too much data to look at? How about using a slicer to dynamically filter your information? Or impress your more visually oriented colleagues by learning to create stunning pivot charts. If you have data and information coming from different sources, why not consolidate the data into one comprehensive worksheet or workbook? Using the Consolidate feature, you can add, subtract, or average out your tables from multiple sources all into one simplified sheet. Pushing your knowledge further, you'll learn how to merge workbooks and link cells from different sources. If you have data from other programs that you need to use in Excel, or data that you need to export to another file type, you'll appreciate our lessons on importing and exporting. Here, you'll learn how to import and format data from delimited text files. Exporting to different file formats is also possible with a few mouse clicks. You can also import data from your favorite websites that automatically update in Excel as soon as the website updates. Finally, the cherry on top. With a few lesser-known Excel features, nothing prevents you from making your data pretty and functional. Help others collaborate and review shared spreadsheets with comments, hyperlinks, and watermarks. Themes and styles will save you time and effort in creating a consistent visual landscape throughout your workbook, while custom templates will make your work more efficient. You're only a few clicks away from improving your skills. Register online now for one of our guaranteed to run public classes, or contact us to inquire about our customizable private group classes. Classes can be delivered online at our modern training center in downtown Ottawa, or on-site at your location. Our live instructor-led classes are your best way to learn and apply new skills to your job. Visit our website or give us a call today.